Our lesson objective is I can solve multi-step equations with variables on one side. So here are the steps to solving a multi-step equation. So fill this in from your guided notes. So you're going to rewrite the equation as a two-step equation by distributing and combining like terms. So you want to include this part and this part. And then solve the equation using our rules for solving two-step equations. So you want to include this part and this part. And our rules for two-step equations include adding or subtracting a constant or multiplying or dividing a coefficient. So let's go ahead and work through some problems. Okay, so we're going to use these rules to solve these multi-step equations. So here we have 4m minus 5 times 3m plus 10 equals 126. So first, I'm going to simplify both sides of the equation. So this side is good. This side, I'm going to simplify it by rewriting this minus 5 as a negative 5 times this sum. It'll be easier then to distribute the negative 5. So how that looks, we're going to have negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. And I'm going to keep that in a parentheses. Plus, and then negative 5 times 10 is negative 50. And then we have 4m plus negative 15m. And we have all of this still equal to 126. And now we're going to have 4m minus 15m. And that's going to be negative 11m. And then we're going to still have plus the negative 50. But at this point, I'm just going to rewrite it as minus 50. It's no different. And then that's going to equal 126. We're going to add 50 to both sides. We get negative 11m is 176. Divide both sides by negative 11. And we get m equals 16. Oh. And then to check our answer, so I'm going to write the steps by the way. So I don't need to use this original equation to check my answer. I'm going to use the negative 11m minus 50 and see if when I substitute the 16 in, I end up with the solution on the left being the same as the solution on the right. So 11 times 16, we just did 176 divided by 11, we got 16. So it's going to be negative 176. And then it's minus 50. And I just realized I made a mistake. This is actually negative 16. So this is supposed to be a negative 16 as well. And then this is going to be a positive 176. Minus 50 is going to be 126. Sorry about that. All right, so we're going to use our same rules for solving multi-step equations. So number one, we're going to give ourselves more room, and then we're going to simplify both sides. So on the right side, we are okay. It is simplified. On the left side, we're going to have to distribute first this negative 3. We're also going to have to distribute the negative. So I'm going to rewrite this problem. Instead of doing that, I'm going to rewrite these in a parentheses just to kind of show the steps a little bit more clearly. So that negative sign becomes the negative 1, and we multiply it by k plus 5, and then the negative 3, I'm just going to rewrite that in a parentheses. So I'm going to do negative 3 times this. I have negative 3k plus 24, and then we're going to have plus. Now we're going to have negative 1 times k, so that's negative k minus negative 5, but I'm going to rewrite it as plus negative 5. And then we're going to have that equals 23. We're now going to combine like terms. Negative 3k, that's in a parentheses here, plus a negative k is negative 4k. And then we have 24 minus 5 is 19 equals 23. So now we simplified both sides. Now we're going to solve our two-step equation. So the first thing we do is add or subtract. we're going to add or subtract our constant, 19. There's no variable, and it's positive, so we're going to minus 19 from both sides. We're then going to have negative 4k equals 23 minus 19 is 4. Divide both sides by negative 4, and we get k equals negative 1. We then can check our work. We're going to do negative 4 times negative 1 plus 19, and that's going to be 4 plus 19, which is 23. So we did that right. We're going to use our rules again to solve this equation. So first, we're going to simplify both sides of the equation. I'm not going to write all that out. So this side here is okay. This side here, we need to simplify. I'm going to rewrite it as 10x plus negative 6 times 2x plus 5. Now I'm going to distribute this negative 6, so I have my 10x from before, plus negative 12x, plus negative 30. And then on the left side, I'll still have 20. Now I'm going to have 10x minus 12x, or plus negative 12x. That'll be negative 2x, plus 30, plus negative 30. That's the same as minus 30, equals 20. So now we'll solve our two-step equation. So we're going to plus 30 to both sides. That's our constant. 20 plus 30 is 50. So we get 50 is negative 2x. So we need a number times negative 2 to get 50. That's going to be negative 25. We can then check our work. Negative 2 times negative 25 minus 30 is the same as positive 50 minus 30, which is 20. So we did that right. All right, we're going to use our rules again to solve this multi-step equation. So first, we're going to simplify both sides. This side is good. This side we have to do some work with. So we're going to add negative 4x and negative 3x. It's easier to rewrite this, though, using parentheses when we add our terms together. So I'm going to have negative 4 plus negative 7 plus negative 3x plus 4 equals 25. So we're going to do negative 4x plus negative 3x. Two negatives make a when you add them together, you keep the sign, so you have negative 7x. And then negative 7 plus 4 is minus 3 equals 25. So we simplified both sides. Now we're going to add 3 to both sides. We're going to have negative 7x equals 28. Then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 7, and I get x equals negative 4. When I go to check my answer, I'll have negative 7 times negative 4 minus 3 is 28 minus 3, which is 25. So we know we did this right. All right, here we're going to solve for a. So first, we're going to distribute the negative 4 on the left side. We have to simplify that side. So negative 4 times 7 is negative 28a. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20 equals negative 160. We're going to add 20 to both sides. Then we get negative 28 is negative 140. And we also have the a from before. Sorry about that. Then we're going to divide both sides by negative 28. And we get that a is equal to... So 140 and 28 are both divisible by 7. So another way to think about this is that negative 140 divided by 7 is 20. Negative 28 divided by 7 is 4. And then 20 divided by 4 is 5. And then we can check our answer. Negative 28 times 5 minus 20 is going to be negative 140 minus 20, which is negative 160. So we did this right. All right, so we have now worked through solving multi-step equations with variables on one side.